Welcome to Chessie's Toy Club. Today we're learning about colors and numbers, 1 through 20. Come play with us, and let's let the good times roll. Red, number 1.
1.
Ready, set, go! Pink, number 2.
2.
Ready, set, go! Orange, number 3.
3.
Ready, set, go! Yellow, number 4.
4.
Ready, set, go! Green, number 5.
5.
Ready, set, go! Green, number 6.
6.
Ready, set, go! Teal, number 7.
7.
Ready, set, go! Blue, number 8.
8.
Ready, set, go! Red, number 9.
9.
Ready, set, go! Pink, number 10.
10.
Ready, set, go! Orange, number 11.
11.
Ready, set, go! Yellow, number 12.
12.
Ready, set, go! Green, number 13.
13.
Ready, set, go! Green, number 14.
14.
Ready, set, go! Blue, number 15.
15.
Ready, set, go! Blue, number 16.
16.
Ready, set, go! Red, number 17.
17.
Ready, set, go! Pink, number 18.
18.
Ready, set, go! Orange, number 19.
19.
Ready, set, go! Yellow, number 20.
20.
Ready, set, go! Number 20.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thanks for playing with us. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you next week. Bye!